Favorite ni Papa Ian to on me.
Sana one day tawagin niya akong Papa Greg. What is up you guys? It's Greg here again, and this time gagawa tayo ng medyo kakaiba na hindi pa nagagawa. This is gonna be my first time to do this kind of video, and that is a reaction video. And I'm gonna be reacting to Bea Alonzo's Perfume Collection. To be completely transparent, this is not my first time na mapanood yung video na to. This is gonna be my second time. But of course, yung unang beses na pinanood ko siya, syempre in-enjoy ko lang yung video na yun. It's not anything na para for me to give my opinion, to give my thoughts or whatever. Just enjoyed watching that video. But this time, I'm gonna give my thoughts, whatever na gusto kong sabihin on that video. Because as a perfume enthusiast, nakakatuwa namang malaman yung mga collections ng mga artista na pinapanood natin, hinahanga natin. And Bea Alonzo actually is one of my celebrity crushes din. So it's good to know na makita yung mga perfume collections niya. So, but before we start, if you're new to my channel, I'm Greg and I do videos about men's fashion, men's grooming, and fragrance reviews. So if you think you're interested with those kind of videos, consider subscribing to my channel. So ready na yung headset ko. If you're ready, I'm ready. Start it.
Hi beautiful people! I hope you're all well and safe. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Bea. Most of you have requested for me to do this episode. It's probably because you love perfumes as much as I do. Because I have been collecting for years, ranging from like cheap colognes to the more expensive ones, or what they call the niche perfumes. Ibig sabihin po, ito yung mga perfumes na mahirap hanapin. But since I love perfumes, I really go out of my way to find them.
One thing about niche perfumes is, for those who are new, when you say niche perfumes, yun lang talaga yung product nila. Just perfumes lang.
Whenever I would tell them stories, hindi nawawala yung sense of smell. Meaning, kapag nagkwento ko about Christmas, laging may amoy ng puta bongbong, or whenever I would recall a certain memory with friends, it always involves something that I smelled at that specific time. Because
Totoo naman, perfume sometimes, just like music or movies, it brings you back to, let's say, a certain experience or a place or with someone, ganyan. Ganda niya, no?
so, ito yung mga bottles that I have collected through the years, but marami pa dito yung wala. Addicted ako to scents. Alam ko, privilege to, at alam ko marami magtataas ng kilay dito. But sometimes I even wear perfumes to sleep because I wear perfume.
So, I don't wear perfumes to sleep, okay? Pero paminsan, pag may mga perfumes ako na gustong-gusto kong amoy, or wala lang, gusto ko lang mag-perfume sa bahay paggabi, especially pag medyo malamig, I would wear specific perfumes, wala lang. But not to sleep. Basta gusto ko lang siyang suot before I sleep, ganun lang.
Ito, I've never shared this with anyone, not even to my friends or my colleagues. I think this is my signature scent. It pains me to even share this with you. Le Labo Santal 33. It has this leathery, musky, earthy tones to it. It smells like an open fire. That soft, smoky drift. Ano ba sabihin? Ang hirap na. Basahin na yan. But it has that leathery smell to it because it's unisex.
Madaming nag-request na sa akin ito actually. Medyo mahirap makahanap, but abangan nyo guys, hanap ako ng decant nito and gagawa natin ng review yan. Le Labo Santal 33.
Santal 33. Alam mo, hindi to ka-OA yan. Pero even my friends, yung mga naging staff namin sa Allowed to Last, alam nila pag pumasok ako sa elevator at lumabas kasi naiiwan yung amoy na to. And I'm not even exaggerating. So
performing ang Le Labo kung ganun. So, but we'll see.
This one naman. This is from Victor & Rolf Flower Bomb. Also very sensual again. I usually wear this at night whenever I...
Sorry, may sa akin ito, may nag-comment din na mag-review ng Flower Bomb. So, mukhang hahanapin ko na siya.
go out with friends or whenever I'd go out on a date. It's just that, parang it makes me feel more flirty. Namoy sa akin to ni Papa P before when he did a show abroad. Sabi niya, ano yan? Tapos hindi ko sinasabi because sabi nga nila, never reveal yourself para hindi ka magaya ng iba. And then, another one of...
Ba't kami? I-reveal namin lahat.
My favorites is this. Hindi ko alam how it's really pronounced. This is from Christian Dior, the Cashmere. So, I got this.
Itong Christian Dior line na to, yung bote na yan, mahal to lahat guys eh. Nasa, I think, mababa na 10,000 up to mga 16,000. Yung line na yan, mahal siya.
When I went to Paris on my 30th birthday, they had just launched this at that time. Actually, marami rin akong ibang ganitong bottles. So you can see Granville. Pero pagdating ko sa Manila, ginamit ko siya. Amoy kalawang. Ewan ko, siguro yung humidity. So after that, hindi ko na siya ginamit sa Pilipinas.
Yeah, that's the reason why may mga ibang perfumes guys na talagang may specific, especially yung temperature. May mga specific temperature na mag-work sa atin o sa ibang bansa. That's the reason why I created this channel as well, para makapag-suggest ng perfumes na suitable sa atin sa Philippines. Kasi yung ibang mga perfumers sa ibang bansa, I don't know if na-experience nyo to, hype na hype doon. When you try it dito sa Philippines, hindi naman ganun ka-appealing for you. So maraming beses ko yung naranasan. So,
and then the next that I will share with you is this one. This is from Hermes. I don't know how to really pronounce this, but Un Jordan Sur de Toi. I tried, guys. Actually smells like grass. It
yes.
smells like summer.
Actually, it smells really green. It says, the bottle says a lot. Green, it smells really green. Fresh green, parang ganyan.
Ginagamit ko na siya whenever I go out, lalo na pag summer, tapos meron kang shoots. That's what this reminds me of, grass. And then another one from Hermes is this one, Un Jardin sur la Lagoon. So this was given to me by my manager, Shirley Kwan. Well, it smells very feminine, but this reminds me of power. So this perfume means empowered for me. Ay, eto.
So, meron akong video about this one. Actually, nag-review ako yan kasi may subscriber tayo na nag-request that I review yung Un Jardin. Actually, mali pa ako ng pronunciation. Un Jardin pa nga sinabi ko. So, Un Jardin, pero hindi niya na-specify kung anong alin doon. So, yung nabili ko is yung Sur la Lagoon. And I have a video about that. Check nyo yan somewhere in here if you wanna watch it. So, it smells very floral in the beginning. Bigyan ko yung idea. It smells very floral in the beginning. And then, it's medyo manly at the dry down. That's why na-surprise ako noong umpisa. Sabi ko, unisex siya, pero walang masculine or walang any manly scent in the beginning. And I was surprised at the end of the day, talaga nagbago siya ng scent, na talaga naging manly siya at the dry down. So, maybe that's the reason why nilabel ni Hermes itong perfume na to as unisex, because yun nga. But if for me, I won't wear it because talagang feminine siya sa umpisa. Very, very white floral sa umpisa.
Sige, share ko na to. DKNY Women. I have been wearing this for years and years. Ito ang taping perfume ko. It's very energizing whenever I wear it. Parang I feel like I should be on the go. Alam to nila Papa Ian. Favorite ni Papa Ian to on me.
Sana one day tawagin niya akong Papa Greg.
It's not that expensive, pero mahirap siyang hanapin. In fact, si Angelica, when she traveled abroad, she bought like 3 yata for me. Ito yung pasalubong niya. Kasi nga, alam
sana
niya
may friends din tayo na nagbibigay ng mga pabango sa atin.
From DKNY is this, Be Delicious. I don't wear this anymore. It reminds me of Shaina. This is her perfume. It smells like, again, fruit and apples. It smells delicious.
Actually, it's very delicious. Gourmand, like fruity, very fruity perfume.
From Chanel
Chance.
Ito yung mga pang pa-sweet, pang date, kahit na daytime. Reminds me of Coco Chanel and Paris. And so, I always keep one with me.
Ito actually ang favorite ko from that line. Yung design ng bottle na yun, yung line na yun. That's my favorite. Fresh, feminine, floral, sweet, balance of everything. So, if you're a girl and medyo gusto mo maging up-class yung smell mo and you can afford to get a Chanel, consider that variant.
This one is from Diptyque. Oyedo. Alam mo mali yung sinasabi ko,
Oyedo.
pero bahala na kayo. Just look at the video. Basta, this is orangey, it's citrusy. I wear this whenever I go out with my friends, work out or go to Pilates. Nakaka-energize.
Yeah, actually. Went to Diptyque 2 weeks ago. Nakita ko yung Oyedo. Yeah, fresh, citrusy, pero with there's something in it na medyo like makes it a bit different to the rest of the citrusy perfumes. Worth checking out, but still need ko pa rin siyang itry para malaman ko kung worth rin siyang talagang bilhin to own a bottle.
I also have my Tom Ford Perfume Collection. Hindi naman ako addict sa Tom Ford. This is not an ad. I like their packaging. I also like the way it smells. I think it's very sophisticated. This one is one of my favorites from Tom Ford. It's fabulous. This is very straight to the point. It smells fabulous. It has this decadent leathery smell to it. I wear this whenever I want to like give a good first impression. So, ito fabulous. I got this on my way home.
Yung fucking fabulous actually is something na, well, hindi natin alam kung anong setting ni Bea, no? Alam naman yung mga ginagalawan nila medyo saucy, di ba? Pero be careful if you're trying to buy fucking fabulous from Tom Ford because it's not your typical scent. It's definitely a unique scent. Okay? Kaya sabi niya, it's decadent, parang fruit, a bit fruity, pero it's more of vanilla actually. Vanilla and leather, you know, very smooth combination of vanilla and leather. So, definitely for colder temperatures. So, if you're mostly in hot places, okay, medyo mahirap siyang suotin kasi it's very thick. So, also one thing with F Fabulous is that it's not the kind of scent na pang everyday. So, before you get your own bottle of this perfume, i-try nyo muna siya. But for me, actually, if you're following me dito sa YouTube, is my top 1 perfume so far from the Tom Ford line.
I got this a gift from Tom Ford.
A gift from Tom Ford, sana all.
I think they just launched this last month or something. It's called
it's
Bitter
new
Peach.
actually.
I just like how it smells. It smells like fall. Pero hindi pa fall, char.
Yeah, kasi new release nila yun actually. I went to Tom Ford back in November. In MOA, pero wala pa silang Bitter Peach. Gusto ko lang ding malaman yung amoy niya. Pero like artista siya eh. Sinendan siya ng Bitter Peach.
This is also from Tom Ford, Neroli Portofino. It smells like the ocean.
Fresh.
Smells like summer. And I've never been to Amalfi Coast, but it's one of my dream destinations. That's why whenever I'd wear this, it makes me wonder of what it's like to be in Amalfi Coast.
Very fresh and aquatic perfume.
And also this one, Mandarino, the Amalfi, from the same line. It gives you that just got out of shower scent.
Yeah,
I like
fresh.
it. It's very fresh.
Ito sobrang light nito. Kind of freshness, very light.
I also have here my Jo Malone Perfume Collection. This is a sweet scent. It's next.
Pansin ko lang sa mga artista, no? Mahilig sila sa Jo Malone. Gagayahan yata sila.
Nectarine Blossom and Honey Cologne. I was wearing this the entire time that I was doing the love affair, and kahit malayo ka, naaamoy ka nila. And whenever you'd go into like a room full of people, ikaw
Actually, yung boss ko is yun ang parang signature scent niya, yung nectarine. And maano siya, malakas yung presence ng perfume na to. Although ako, I'm not a fan of that kind of flowery, floral scent. I mean, the quality is there, just not my type. Pero again, if magustuhan mo tong perfume na to, this will fill up the room.
Medyo popular sa Jo Malone sa pagmix ng perfumes. So, what I usually mix is this. The Oud Bergamot and Dark Amber and Ginger Lily. And whenever I'd use these, I'd also use this Velvet Rose and Oud Dry Body Oil. Ginagamit ko to pag winter ulit kasi medyo woody and medyo earthy. Medyo ano siya, medyo masculine. I like wearing this kapag naka-suit ako or when I want to power dress.
Yeah, actually, yung Jo Malone is parang gusto nilang gawin na mag-mix ka ng perfume, you know, layering. We call it layering. If you have like the means to like layer 8,000 per bottle perfume. But mga sinabi niya, actually hindi ko pa na-amoy yung mga perfumes na sinabi niya dito. But definitely from their names, oud, bergamot, you know what else? Dark amber. Amber and ginger, definitely most of the time, if not always, ginagamit yan sa men's perfume. So, I would say na magaling talaga si Bea sa perfumes. Alam niya kung anong ginagawa niya. Alam niya kung nasa ang spectrum ng scent yung ginagamit niya. Kung masyado ba siyang manly, masyado ba itong pambabae. She knows what she's doing.
There are perfumes that I haven't mentioned na wala siya dito kasi naubusan na ako. But one of those perfumes is Gypsy Water from Byredo. I like that because it's a fun perfume, gypsy, and so it reminds me of travels. It reminds me of New York.
Hindi ko pa rin natatry yun, guys. May mga nagre-request pero ang hirap kasi makahanap ng bottle, and then yun nga, medyo nauuna yung ibang perfumes na ma-review at makabili ako ng sample, pero nagkakaroon ako ng interest dito sa mga sinasabi ni Bea.
I also don't have Penhaligon's Empresa anymore. Naubos ko na siya, but that perfume reminds me of that time when meron kaming premiere night sa Hong Kong and Singapore of A Second Chance.
Penhaligon is a niche perfume.
I really wear perfumes according to my mood. Siguro yung suggestion ko is to not follow trends, but to stick to what makes you feel good, because it's all about what feeling it gives you.
I agree. When you wear perfumes, although we wear perfumes to impress other people or the people around us, but at the same time, there are days na parang you don't care. Alam mo yun? I will wear what I want today. This is my mood. I will wear this. Parang ganun. And there you go, guys, my reaction video, my very newbie kind of reaction video for Miss Bea Alonzo's Perfume Collection. If you guys wanna see more of this, let me know in the comment section. I-request nyo lang dyan kung ano yung gusto nyong i-reactan natin. Okay, gawa natin ng comments o but definitely, I'll be better the next time, alright? But yeah, I enjoyed knowing the perfumes na meron si Miss Bea Alonzo. Of course, minsan gusto nating malaman yung mga perfumes na ginagamit ng mga artista. Again, guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Peace!